Tension arose in Tamil Nadu's Dharmapuri district as BJP state president K Annamalai faced opposition from youths belonging to Christianity during his Mann En Makkal yatra. The youths accused him of engaging in religious politics and dividing people for political gain. Annamalai was denied entry to a Christian holy temple where more than 20 youths surrounded him, questioning the BJP's stance on Christian minority issues in Manipur. Despite protests, Annamalai garlanded the Mother Mary statue with police protection, emphasizing that the Manipur riots involved tribal clashes and stating the BJP's actions.
நீங்க